Good morning. Thanks for being with us. You're with the news here on Mirror Now. My name is Apurva Sridhar. Let's get you updates now coming in. It's day 35 of the lockdown, and the total number of cases in the country is nearing the 30,000 mark. At this point, the total number of cases in the country is now stands at 29,435, with as many as 934 deaths that have been reported. What is concerning is that over the past 24 hours, 62 deaths have been reported, and this is the sharpest single-day rise in the death cases in the country. Meanwhile, the recovery rate of the country now stands at 23.33%. Now, in a bid to reduce the burden on the healthcare facilities, the Health Ministry has now modified its previous guidelines when it comes to home isolation. As per the new rules that has now been put out, mild and pre-symptomatic patients can be isolated at home. And this, of course, is provided that there is a caregiver who is present at the home at all times and there is regular communication with the hospital. Let me go across to my colleague Ayushman for further updates on this. Ayushman, good morning. Tell us about this revision that has taken place in the guidelines as per the Health Ministry's concern, and what are the precautions one must take for home isolation?
Apurva, first of all, the rising number of cases have led to the strategy change that we have witnessed from the health ministry. In this, the health ministry has said that all those cases which are mild in nature and they are in pre-symptomatic stage, they can be allowed for home isolation. But there is a guideline issued. In this guideline, a proper healthcare worker will be assigned. They'll be in touch with the doctor. At the same time, their mobiles must have the Arogya Setu app. And if these symptoms deteriorate, they must be informed to the local healthcare facility, and they must be there in touch with them. At the same time, it has been also said that the healthcare or the caretaker worker will be given hydroxychloroquine as per the advice. Now, this is the change that we have witnessed yesterday in the evening when Mamata Banerjee from West Bengal announced something of this sort. Later, they clarified this was the declaration which came from the health ministry.
All right, Ayushman, now obviously this is being done to further reduce the burden on the hospitals. What are the main measures that perhaps one must take if they have to be home quarantined? Are there any additional measures that the Health Ministry has put out in case there is a requirement for them to reach out to the hospital?
I'm sorry. The basic thing remains same, that one has to maintain all the kind of isolation. Even if he is at the home, he will not meet, the person will not be meeting anyone. They don't have to step outside. They will follow all the guidelines which are there in place. And it is very important to mention here, Apurva, that the health ministry has said that it is only for mild and pre-symptomatic cases. The cases which where we have seen the infection, when the infection load is high, the patient will be shifted to the dedicated COVID care facility.